In this video, we are going to see how we can stop the Facebook notifications on email or Gmail that you receive of every activity. If you want to disable this, here's a quick fix for you. Just go to the top right hand corner and click on account and click on settings and privacy and head over to the settings. And under the preferences on the left hand corner, you will see this notifications option. Click on that. And if you scroll down a little bit, you will see this section where it says where you receive these notifications on the browser or email. So we want to adjust for emails. Click on this. And here it says your email notifications. You can adjust the frequency. Here's email frequency option, whether you want to receive all notifications suggested or only the required notifications. Let's set it to required notifications, and then you can also enable or disable the type of notifications you want to see. So let's say for every comment or tags, especially, you don't want to receive the notifications or update from friends and all of this people you may know notifications, because that is quite annoying to receive such a large amount of notifications on your email. So you just simply disable this from here, and that is all you have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.